It all gets down to bottom line, and that's going to be budget and hidden cost, and what that person can add to your saving money or going more expensive, depending upon what you're looking for. So you need to pick that person's brain on what you're going to do, and he or she can give you a good idea on, depending upon if you have a budget line, what's the best way to stay close to maintaining your budget. It's all going to be about the dollars and cents. They pretty much know all their cost, and they're going to give you a good rough bottom line.